Challenges are what make life interesting. There should be some challenges and problems to make new innovations. Of course, there are different challenges in machine learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the main challenges of machine learning. First, enchantment, a scarcity of training data. According to Ronald Coase, torture the data, and it will confess to anything. Most machine learning algorithms needs huge amount of data to work properly. Millions of data are required to train the machine. For instance, for image recognition you may need millions of data. Hence insufficient data may result in inaccurate outcome. Poor quality data. Another challenge is poor quality data set. Data with outliers, full of errors and noise, are referred as poor quality data. If you provide poor quality of training data, it will be difficult for the machine to detect underlying pattern. Therefore, performance of your system will be poor. This is the reason data analysts and engineers spend major time for cleaning the data set. Overfitting and underfitting of training data. Let us discuss what is overfitting and underfitting. For example, a person buys 2 laptops from ABC company and finds out both of laptop are defective. Then person overgeneralize and consider every product of ABC company is defective. Similar things can be happened with machine learning. In machine learning, overfitting means the model performs very well on the training data, but it does not generalize well. Underfitting is just opposite of overfitting. Underfitting occurs when your model is too simple to learn underlying structure of the data. Irrelevant features. Garbage in, garbage out is a basic principle of computing. Machine cannot learn if the training dataset contains a lot of irrelevant features. Successive machine learning project comes with a good set of features to train on. The process of feature selection, feature extraction, and creating new features by generating new data is called feature engineering. Let's summarize what we learned. Main challenges of machine learning are insufficient quantity of training data, poor quality of data, underfitting and overfitting of training data, and irrelevant features present in the training data.